comes another cartoon.
What'll we do for eats, Bugsy?
Let's pull the old raffle gag.
Okay, you set it up. I'll find the sucker. Uh-oh, there's a pigeon. Hey, Doc, we're raffling off a turkey. You want to take a chance?
Turkey? Gentlemen, I am delighted. And how do I win this noble bird?
First, we blindfold you like this, see?
Then you reach in the bowl and draw out a ticket. Allow me to congratulate you. You have won first prize.
Ah, Dame Fortune smiles at me. And where is my turkey?
Down at Turkey headquarters. 13, Van Gluten Place. Go get it and bring it back here.
Yeah, and we'll show you how to stuff it.
Somebody's at the door. We better see who it is.
I've come to claim my turkey.
Turkey? Do we have a turkey? We might have one in the refrigerator.
Cold turkey. By Jove, my favorite dish. Just a moment. I demand my turkey. Let me have it.
Okay.
Look here, Cecil. Cecil? Oh, no. Oh, la-di-da-da. Pass the cream puff, Cecil. And don't forget the pink tea, Cecil. Hi, Cecil. Turkey. Let me see. 5 steps from wall to refrigerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aha! Oh, no, not again. wouldn't hit a lady, would you, Cecil? I guess he would.
Did you get the turkey?
And did you bring anything else?
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed our show. Join us again on our next program for a half hour of fun with your old pal, Woody Woodpecker.
See you on our next show. Bye now.